So hello my friends, Devaun Lennox here, PhotographyPX.com. In today's video, we'll do our hands-on review of the brand new spider crabs from iFootage. We'll specifically be taking a look at the new MA3 and the LT4 5.5. Note, this is a sponsored video as iFootage did send out both of these products for free. So keep that in mind. However, this lineup is quite competitive in the market and is currently class leading as far as our research and market analysis has concluded. So it's not all doom and gloom here. Instead, the opposite. With that, throughout the video, we'll cover what sets this new line apart from the competition, and we'll also show some practical uses in our particular YouTube setup. Firstly, what are spider crabs? Well, simply put, they're articulating support arms, also known as magic arms. On screen right now, you'll see the MA3, and this is a magic arm that I'm referring to. And there are 5 arms central to this lineup. Magic arms, if you're unaware, are a subdivision of articulating camera support arms, which videographers use to rig various camera equipment. Think monitors, microphones, other cameras, and support equipment. And the spider crab lineup in particular comes to challenge this space with a more durable and modular rigging solution aimed at quite a broad demographic of possible users. You can mount anything from a smartphone or GoPro all the way up to a full-blown cinema camera like the ARRI Alexa Mini. And they're here to challenge several manufacturers in this space, including Manfrotto, SmallRig, Andy Cine, ARRI, Blackmagic Design, and Landpart, to name a few. There's quite a lot of competition here, as you may tell. Traditionally, rigging camera equipment is tricky, and it's somewhat of a small art form within its own right, but the spider crabs aim to streamline the process and make setting up more secure and convenient. And the streamlined ecosystem, along with its build quality and general robustness, is what ultimately helps them stand apart. We were sent both the MA3 and the LT4 to 5.5 specifically, but 3 other arms are within the line. The MA lineup featuring the MA3, which you can see on screen here, and the MA56 are the larger articulating arms. And these two house 2 interchangeable quick release heads attached by a buckle here and a safety strap. This is the quick release head. And these quick release heads let you quickly attach accessories. Each mini head of this mount also features a 3/8 spring-loaded connector with ARRI locking screws to prevent twisting, but push down to reveal a standard 1/4-20 connector. Adding versatility, the mini head also locks when inserted into the housing and has an extra push-in pin here as a failsafe. Together, this design creates a full-blown quick release system with immediate access to attach accessories without the hassle of unscrewing the entire arm. And considering most magic arms only offer a standard connector thread or a basic clamp at each end, this is quite a standout upgrade. Next, there's the spider crab LT range. This is the smaller lineup consisting of the LT2 to 3.5 and the LT4 to 5.5. These are smaller articulating arms with the same basic functionality, just a slightly different specialization. I'm currently using the LT4 to 5.5 right now, and that's how I was actually filming that B-roll shot that I just showed you for the MA lineup. So with that, I'm just going to show you some photos on screen. The main difference though between these two articulating arms is the mount design. So rather than use a quick release mount like the MA lineup, they offer a fixed cold true mount instead with a 1/4-20-inch connector. The head also unscrews completely, revealing a 1/4-inch thread underneath. And the shorter length for this particular lineup and the cold true attachment here make this line ideal for monitors, small lights, and microphones. Think anything you want to attach close to the camera. But all models, including the telescopic support rod, the SA32, revolve around a high quality anodized aluminum alloy and stainless steel construction. And the stainless steel is strategically placed around the ball and elbow joints, as you can see right here. And these are critical areas that often fail first. As such, this combination provides exceptional strength, rigidity, and durability that's ready to last. But like most magic arms, each locks through a central elbow and end joints through a single wing knob, which you can see right here. But unlike most, there's no sagging or drooping over time since they feature a large metal rosette, which is right here. If I open that, you can see the rosette. And the rosette offers a powerful grip even at the maximum vertical payload of 6 kilograms or 13.22 pounds. And 6 kilograms, if you're unaware, is about mid-tier in the space for payload rating, but at the price point the spider crabs lie, it's on the higher side and becomes a key advantage over the competition. The construction here is also considerably improved over a cheaper articulating arm, as most use aluminum alloy and plastic alone. And the design of each arm is comprehensive and becomes a premium at this price point. With the spider crabs, you can attach virtually any accessory to a camera or support rig. These include support tools like monitors, recorders, and microphones, but also extends to adding a B camera for a second angle or redundant recording, or larger tools like battery-powered lights, which is what I intend to use them for in the future. Speaking of a second angle, this is one of the ways we're currently using the spider crabs ourselves, and it's an interesting yet simple solution if you want to add a second angle to your setup and up your production value. iFootage also has a slew of extra accessories to increase the versatility even more. You can find these on their site, but in short, these include a vacuum pump suction cup, available in 2 sizes to attach a camera to a windshield, and a phone holder. The only potential con with this particular lineup that some users will see is the price point, and initially we felt that way ourselves, but after analyzing the market, we can confirm this lineup is competitively priced amongst similar articulating support arms. Now we're assuming with that you factor in the payload rating, their construction, and the thread support. If so, you'll find the spider crabs fairly central amongst the market, but considering the high-end build offered here, each of the spider crabs provides enormous value. So while $100 seems steep for such an accessory on the surface, this is the true market price, but it's important you know this and we highlight this particular fact. So what's our final verdict here at PhotographyPX? Well, surprisingly, iFootage has won our Editor's Choice Award here. They already have a slew of excellent support tools like monopods and sliders, many of which we've already recommended highly, but this is the company's first attempt and foray into the camera rigging market. And as I mentioned in the introduction, this is an extremely competitive market. In some ways, it's even more competitive than the cameras they support. So it's interesting to see iFootage, of all the potential players in this particular space, make the leap to do something different and unique. But that they've done. The spider crabs are a testament to the excellent design and engineering the company offers, and they're now class leading at this price point, given the design, flexibility, and construction. So there you have it, my friends. There's our hands-on review of the new iFootage spider crabs. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, or feel like I've missed something over the course of this video, please let me know down below. Also, while you're down in the description box down below, we've launched a new brand called pxpresets.com. PX Presets is going to be your next one and only stop for Lightroom presets until we launch Photoshop and other platform presets. But here you can find both desktop and mobile presets to get you started in a variety of different mediums more powerfully and upgrade your imaging and take your images to the next level. That link to pxpresets.com will be in the description box down below. Please check that out if you're in the market for some exciting Lightroom presets. But until next time, my friends, I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. I will see you in the next video.